In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your drop-down options here in Google Sheets. So when working on a data and you have it on a table and some of your columns are in a drop-down, here's how you can update those drop-down options. So in my example, I have 3 columns right here, column C, G, and H in drop-down. So if I want to update an option, for example, this column right here, column C, where we have the position column, and for each column we have these options. If let's say we want to delete or add something to these options, what we're going to do is to just click on this edit button right here. It's a pen icon and it's found at the bottom right corner. So if you hover over it, it will say edit button. If you click on it, here we have the data validation rules on the right. And here are our options. So we have the manager, the assistant, clerk, supervisor, and staff. If we want to add something, we are just going to click on add another item right here. Click on that. There we go. And this is the space where we're going to put that value or our text. So let's say we're going to add the position IT. There we go. Once you're done adding your values or options, you're just going to click on done at the bottom right corner. It's this green tab right here. You can't miss it. Click on it and it will automatically be added to your options. So that's applied to your entire column right here. So if I click on one of these drop downs, I will see that IT added at the bottom. Now let's say we want to remove an option. Let's go back to that edit button. There we go. And just click on the trash bin icon, which will say remove value on the right side. You will see that for each option. So let's say we're going to delete the staff option or position right here. Click on it and it will be removed from the options. Now, if we click on done right now, wherever that position is chosen for the dropdown, it will have that warning message that the input must be an item on the specified list. Since it's no longer one of our options, it will come out invalid. So let's select a different one. Let's say this one is supposed to be an IT. There we go. And there we have it. We have added and removed an option from our drop-down list. Let's say we want to rearrange how those options are. So let's try that on our status column or G column right here. If I were to, again, select one of these, there we go, and click on the edit button, our data validation rules will appear again on the right side. So to rearrange the order of your options, what you're going to focus on would be the left side. So if we have the remove values on the right side, we have our drag or drop down on the left side. So this will allow us to reposition these options right here. So if I click on it and drag it to where I want to position it, I'm just going to hold on to that left click, release it here in the middle. There we have it. We've successfully repositioned this option. Let's say we want to put the resigned at the top. So click on the left side again and just drag it to the top and release. And there you have it. We've successfully rearranged the order of our options. If we click on done again and go back to what that would look like, here we have it. So now we have the resigned at the top, the on leave in the middle, and the active at the bottom. And there you have it. So those are 3 easy ways on how you can update your drop-down options. First, adding a value. Second, removing a value. And third, rearranging the order of your options. And that's how you can update your drop-down options right here in Google Sheets. If you want some extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos. And I will see you in the next one.